guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a reflection effect on your video in CapCut. So to do that, you are just going to import a video like this, and then I'm just going to drag the video over here so there's space for reflection. And then after that, you're just going to go back and press overlay and press add overlay and select the same video and then press add. Then you're just going to resize it to fit the screen, and then you are just going to scroll until you find edit. So press edit, rotate it twice, and then press mirror once. Then I'm just going to sort of put it here, so do that. And then after that, you can just go and press the back and find mask, click on it, and press film strip. Then what I like to do is I like to rotate it. So rotate it by pinching your fingers and resizing it like this. Then what I like to do is hit this sort of arrow button and pull it down a little bit just to blend it in. Then you're just going to press the checkmark button, and now you have this reflection edit on CapCut. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!